Hey guys, this is my 3-month update with my Braidloc's. I'm really excited to share how they've been coming along. Some of them are kind of starting to lock now. I tried the interlock method even though I was talking crap about it, but if you want to hear more, please continue watching. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A few things that I wanted to share was that I tried a new shampoo, like a bar of soap shampoo for dreadlocks, which was really cool. And instead of doing conditioner, I just washed it and let it be. And I feel like, I don't know if it helped to form the locks. I want to be able to show you guys. Well, let me just turn so you can kind of see how it's coming along. It's kind of shorter right now because I washed it. I want to learn how to stretch it so that I can have some length, but I think that just comes with locks in general. Yeah, so the front portion, a lot of these actually are still braids, and I'm sure people say they're going to be here for like 2 years before you actually will start to see a lock. But the front, definitely, I still see the braids. They're very prevalent. They ain't going nowhere, I guess, for a while. But then the back, a lot of them are starting to actually lock. Look back at it. Look back. I had to do it. Look back at it. Look back. But I'm still a little bit confused because some of them are like much thicker at the end of the lock. Let's see if I can find one for you, as opposed to the top where I interlocked it. So I had a lot of hairs that after I washed it, after doing the retwist myself, if you see in the second Braidloc video, after retwisting it myself, it looked good, but then after I worked out and I washed it, it all like unraveled and came apart, and this was probably like 2 weeks later. And so I ended up trying the interlock method. I bought a little interlocking tool because I was like, let me just try it out, because I'm not trying to keep retwisting my hair all the time. And yeah, I still see, like, if you see here, all of this is not even like locked. So a lot of my hair at the roots was like that, so I decided to get the interlock tool and do that. But if you see even here, well, I think this is the same one I pulled, but I have a few of them that even though I interlocked them, it's still, I have a lot of, I don't think that it's new growth. I think that maybe it's coming down. I don't know what to say, but maybe you guys will be able to share your experience with interlocking and starting locks. I don't really know. This is still just a part of the journey for me, but let me see if I can find, oh yeah, like here, there's still a lot of like non-locked pieces here, even though I did interlock it. And I think just because it's so much free hair, I just didn't want to continue interlocking because I'm not sure if it'll make it skinny. Yeah, I'm not sure if it'll make it too skinny, as opposed to all the other pieces, some that are thicker, that are just forming in the locks like so. Yeah, I tried interlocking, and actually it was really fun. It took me a good 5-6 hours to do, probably not even all my hair because I have a lot of little ones, but I had such a good time. And they say like you do the north, south, east, west method. Like, it was just fun. It was very relaxing. I had such a great time going through and interlocking because it felt like I was becoming a part of my process more. And now I'm officially like starting to lock them, and they're starting to get locked, and it's really cool to kind of see. And I feel like I'll have more of an opportunity to see the new growth when I do the interlocking as opposed to the twisting. But I'm not sure that if I'm not sure if I'll be able to continue to do the twisting with the interlocking like I'd like to, because they say like if you do both of them you can't see a difference. I don't know if that's the same with the smaller locks. If you know, let me know. Please comment so I can learn with you guys. Yeah, and I think that is basically about it for this 3rd month update. It's pretty short. I'm sure you like that because the second one was a little long. Sorry guys. However, you know, it's cool. I'm learning. Well, I will see you guys next month for the 4th month update. Hey.